Have you ever wondered how melanoma, a type of skin cancer, affects young individuals? A recent study aimed to uncover more about this topic. Let's dive into the findings. Researchers analyzed a group of 514 patients, including children and adolescents, from different countries. They examined the characteristics of their melanomas and their survival rates. The melanoma subtypes identified were conventional melanoma, spitzoid melanoma, and melanoma associated with a congenital nevus. Each one has its own unique features. After following these young patients for 10 years, the results were quite positive. The recurrence-free survival rate was around 91.5% for children and 86.4% for adolescents. Factors such as ulceration, the location of the melanoma, and a measurement called breast thickness could impact the outcomes. A thickness greater than 4 mm was associated with a more challenging road to recovery. However, it's important to mention that this study had its limitations. It was a retrospective study, meaning researchers looked back at past cases. In conclusion, the survival rates for children and adolescents with melanoma were surprisingly high. By understanding more about melanoma in young people, we can work towards better prevention and treatment strategies. Let's continue to raise awareness and protect our skin from the harmful effects of the sun. If you enjoyed this video, you'll be sure to enjoy this one. Also, be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you get notified when I release a new video. Be sure to check out some of the recipes on my channel as well.